Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome to our afternoon forex trading live session. Okay. So, as we all know, our normal daily routine. This is where we actually analyze the market and look for a possible entry. Okay. So this is where we analyze our market and look for a possible entry. Sorry, we couldn't come. We couldn't make it earlier, but we are here now. So there's still time. The market is very big. The most important thing is to look for an opportunity and place your entry, right? So I've been looking at this market. I actually took this market recently from here. Sorry, from here. And I was able to draw it down to this area. So right now, I'm looking for a retest, okay, for this market to continue its move to the downside. So guys, please go to your chart right now and open GBP CHF. GBP CHF. So let's just wait for this market to finish its retest. But um, if we get, a breakout to the top side, then that is invalid. But as of now, let's look at what this market wants to do. So guys, um, I have a very important information for all of you. Okay, so we have a big event coming up in the forex market tomorrow. Okay, and this big event is going to make you a lot of money. You see, every forex trader, every professional forex trader, don't miss this big event. Okay, and the big event is the non-farm payroll. Okay, so the non-farm payroll is coming tomorrow. Okay, so the non-farm payroll is, how the US is able, um, sorry, just a minute. Okay, so the non-farm payroll is a monthly report. Okay, so it's a monthly report that estimates the net number of jobs gained in the US. Okay, so they use it to calculate the amount of jobs they were able to um, give out, okay, to the unemployed in the US. So if the amount is shorter than the previous month, the market, the dollar is going to fall, but because the forex market reacts to this non-farm payroll, okay. But if they were able to make more than what they made last month, the market will go up, okay. And that is an opportunity that nobody wants to miss. Even I don't want to miss it, okay. So because I'm telling you right now, because I want you to fund your account, guys. Fund your account so that by tomorrow, and the non-farm payroll is going to be happening around 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time tomorrow afternoon. Okay, so it's happening around 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time tomorrow afternoon. So I don't want you guys to miss it. Guys, it's an opportunity, a great opportunity to make good money. This thing we are talking about only happens once per month. Okay, so it's a very important event that nobody wants to miss. Even you don't want to miss it. So as you see what I was talking about, this setup is invalid right now. Okay, this setup is invalid. So it already made the move from here to this area, and I already took the opportunity. So let's just look for another setup. Okay, let's look for another setup. Guys, please, see, I'm begging you, fund your account before tomorrow. Okay, fund your account before tomorrow. The reason why I'm telling you this is because I want you to make money also. Please, I want us to make money. You see, this forex of a thing is not easy. Okay, it's not easy, and we need money in Nigeria to survive. So tomorrow is an opportunity that nobody wants to miss. Okay, you don't want to miss that opportunity. It is very, very, very important. The market is going on just one direction tomorrow. So the direction depends on what the non-farm payroll the information is good. Don't worry, the information is going to be communicated, okay, before the time. So whatever their calculation is going to be, that is the direction the market is going to be going to. Okay. Remember what I said? I said the market, if the non-farm payroll has a shortage. So what we mean by shortage is if it drops down below the amount they had the previous month, the market, the USD market is going to come down. Okay. But if they made more than what they made last month, then the market is going to go up. So whatever happened in the non-farm payroll is going to affect their currency, that is the US dollars. Okay. So any pair that is associated with the US dollars is going to be affected tomorrow. Okay. So no trader misses this kind of opportunity. No trader in this world misses that kind of opportunity. Everybody wants to join the non-farm payroll. Okay, this happens once in a month. I'm telling you guys. So please, let's be prepared. Okay, let's be prepared for tomorrow. So what you want to do is you want to fund your account. You want to fund your account because you need money to trade the market tomorrow. Okay, you need money to trade the market. So please start funding your account right now. And if you fund up to $15, you'll be qualified to get into the premium channel. So the benefit of joining the premium channel is when you get into the premium channel, you get signals every day. Okay, you get signals every day. It doesn't have to be on this live stream. So on this live stream, this is just another way of learning for you guys. So I'm trying to make this educative enough so that not just by placing trade or making money, I'm showing you how I'm going to be doing everything. Okay, so that we can make the money. I'll be showing you everything, and you can also learn from it. Okay, and then when we get the opportunity, we place the trade together. So guys, please fund up to $15 on this live stream. If you fund up to $15 on this live stream right now, I'll get you into the premium channel. Okay. So even before tomorrow, even before the news tomorrow, you make money, guys. I'm sure we are all here because we want to make money, isn't it? So it's just an easy way to make money. Okay, please just fund the account with just $15. Okay, so I'm on AUD CAD right now. Our GBP CHF entry got invalidated. Okay, because it broke out of where we had assumed that the market was going to get to. So, but what is happening? This is what is happening right now. Okay, so we have another imbalance around this zone. This market might likely come to this area before it drops down. Okay, so it might likely come to this area before it drops down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep an eye out for this particular pairs. Okay, GBP, CHF. So we're going to keep an eye out for it later. But as of now, let's look for something else to do. Let's look for something else to do. So we already have something around this area also. So this market is already making its move. Let's look for something else. Let's look for something else. Okay, so we have AUD USD right here. So let's see what is happening in the AUD USD. This is my 4 hours time frame. I want to see what is going on the higher time frame. I want to know if my market will continue to go to the upside, or this is just a retracement for the downside. That is what I want to know here. So guys, please pay close attention to what I'm doing right now. Okay, this is how we make analysis, because I know some of us here, we are just interested in placing trade and making money. But if you really want to be a forex trader, it is not as easy as you think. Okay, you need to learn. You see, in the evening section, I like to make it fast. And the reason why I do it that way is because most of us don't have the patience, and patience is very important when it comes to forex trading. Okay, so you need the knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge, how do you want to be a professional trader? It's just like someone that wants to become a doctor right now. You have to go to the medical line, isn't it? Now, if you don't go to medical line, how do you want to become a doctor? Huh? You see, it's not possible, isn't it? So it is very important, guys. It is very important to learn. And for you to learn, you need a lot of patience. Okay, if you're just looking at the market like, okay, I can just do this, I can just do that. Trust me, it is not as easy as you guys thought. Okay, so please, because I want to dive deep into forex trading for you guys. I just want to help you guys. On this platform, you are not using money to learn. Okay, you are not paying a dime to learn, because I know most of us, we are not always serious when we are getting something for free. Okay, we want something that comes at a cost, but here we are doing it for free, and some of us are not appreciating it, and it is very bad, guys. It is very bad. So that is my break of structure, and this break of structure happened in the 4 hour time frame, which means we are still in the bullish trend. Okay, we are still on bullish, we are not yet on bearish. So this is a higher time frame break of structure. Then we have the lower, the internal break of structures also. Okay, so what this means right now is on our daily time frame, our market is on bullish, on bearish rather. Okay, we are still on the bearish move. So let's look for how we can easily get in and scalp and make our own money, then rush out. Okay, that is what we are here for. Okay, so let's go to the lower time frame, because I'm seeing this is our last leg here, and this is the high that made the leg. That is the high that made the leg. So let's look at our lower time frame and see what is going on there. Okay, so we have a major reversal from this point. So let's go to 1 hour time frame so that we can see our chart clearly. Okay, so this was our last move that created this. So we have our change of character here. Then the market came to retest, and now we are having this. So this market is going to make a small move to the top side. Okay, it's already making the moves already. So it's going to continue to make short moves to the top side. But as of right now, we don't have any opportunity here. This is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so any opportunity that we are going to be taking around this area, you see we have some consolidation around this area right now. Okay, we have some consolidations around this area. You see all those pairs right now, they are preparing for tomorrow. Okay, you see AUD is associated with the USD here. Okay, so USD is preparing for tomorrow. That is why you see this move is very sluggish today. Okay, so those are moves from yesterday. Those are moves from yesterday. You see, it's been consolidating since yesterday. You see, so this is the 1 hour time frame. Don't worry, we are going to look for another setup, even if this doesn't work out. Okay. So this is what the market is going to do. You see, we have this around here. So it's going to use this as an inducement. So sorry, I'm using forex terms. So what I mean by inducement is the market, everybody is going to think that when this market get to this point, it's going to start to go up. Okay. So everybody is going to start, when this market is getting to this point, everybody is going to start placing order for a buy. Okay, but it's going to induce them. It's going to fool them. So this is the trap zones in forex. Okay, but this market is coming to pick the order from this area. It's coming to pick it order, its move from this area. So you can also watch out for this tomorrow. Okay, you can watch out for this tomorrow because this market is in a ranging zone right now, so we can't trade this. There's no opportunity for us here, guys. I hope you understand. Please pay attention to everything that I'm saying here. We are not just here to make money, we are here to also learn, isn't it? So let's look for the opportunity to make money while we are also learning. So this is AUDJPY. Now let's analyze this pair and see if we can get an entry. Okay. So this market right here is trying to break this to the top side. Okay. Guys, this is the trade we took yesterday before the end of our live session. Okay? Something happened on this trade yesterday. We took it, it took us out before it started to move to the downside, isn't it? We took this trade yesterday, CHFJPY. If you were on live stream yesterday, you'd remember. It actually took us out before making it move to the top side. Okay? So, let me tell you something, guys. You see, in forex trading, everything will not always work out the way um, you thought it to work out. Okay, so it's just like life. Sometimes you are planning, and the plan is also planning you. Sorry, guys, that wasn't necessary. I hope you understand, though. Okay, so but our the most important thing is to make sure that you know when you are calculating your losses, make sure that your winning ratio is far better than your losses. Okay, so let's assume you took maybe 3 trades in a day. Okay, you took 3 trades in a day. It is possible that you lose two. Okay, maybe the last one that you took gave you a profit. Now this is why it is very important that whenever you are setting a stop loss or a take profit, it is very important that you make sure that your stop loss is very small. Okay, you don't want your stop loss to be wider than your take profit. Okay, so you want to make your stop loss very small, and you want to make sure that when the market gets even if the market is going to take you out, it's only going to take little part of your money. Okay, then if you took 3 trade and you lose two, these two, maybe you are having, let's say you are having $10 account right now, then you took 2 trade. Each account, let's say you risked $1. Okay, that means you already lose $2, right? You are having $8 now. Then maybe the last trade that you took gave you $5. Yes, it is possible. The main purpose or our main focus in forex is to make sure that our winning ratio is better than our losing ratio. Okay, so if you are risking $1, you are definitely eyeing to make around 3, 4, or $5. Okay, so even though you lose 2 trades per day, it doesn't matter. So as far as you can come back to make one more, to make one profitable one, then definitely you are going to cover up everything that you've lost. Okay? So that is how Forex works. So now this is the market we took yesterday. We actually thought that the market was going to reverse from this area, but instead it took us out, came up to this zone before starting its movement to the downside. Okay? So you see, this is the higher time frame, and you see what the market has been doing since morning. Yeah. So the market has been ranging. Okay, most of the currency of our currency pairs has been ranging. So let's just look at other pairs. But if we are not able to see any setup on our currency, then maybe we can go look at the crypto assets. Okay, you can trade any asset on BtcDana trading application. They have different assets that you can trade. Okay, it's not just forex. They have crypto pairs, crypto assets. They have indices. So indices is your Nasdaq, your US 30. Okay, but those ones they are very volatile. That is why I don't trade it on live stream, because they are very volatile. Some of us we are having just 10, 15, $20. So it is not possible to trade such risky asset with just $20. Okay, guys, I hope you guys understand. Okay, so right now we have a break to the downside. Let's go and check our lower time frame and see if we can get an opportunity to enter the trade. Okay, so this market is going to continue its move to the downside. It's just making a retest. Okay, this market is going to continue its move to the downside. All we are seeing here right now is just retests. This is just a retest. Guys, all I'm doing here right now is I'm giving you a scope. Okay, so those are markets you can actually look out for entry on. Okay, so in case we end our live session without getting an opportunity, those are markets you can actually look out for an opportunity on. Okay, so on this kind of market right now, you can actually scalp this when the market gets to this point. Okay, you can scalp this when this market gets to this point. I know some of us here, we are just looking at what I'm doing. Okay, that is why it is important that you learn. If you learn, you'll be able to do all of these things yourself. Okay, but I see that people get tired every time we are trying to teach them how they can start trading the forex market profitably. Instead, they want to start making money instantly. It is not possible, guys. It is not possible that way. The only way you make good money is if you know how to trade, if you know how to read the market, analyze the market. Okay, and for you to do that, you need a lot of patience, which most of us don't have. Okay, you need a lot of patience. I took patience before I could learn all of this. So that is why it is important that you also, be patient if you want to start making all of this yourself. So this is not magic, okay? This is just a prediction. It's a prediction of, I'm saying now that when this market get to this point, it's going to start reversing to the downside. But if it doesn't reverse and get to this point, take us out, then we are going to be looking for a buy trade because um, it's already creating a gap, okay? But I'm giving you an expo already. So the expo now is you can actually set a sell trade right from this area, okay, and target something like this. But that is until when this market gets to this point, okay? So don't worry if we are still on this live stream. When this market gets to this point, I'm going to tell us to buy, to sell, okay? So guys, we are here together. Don't worry. Okay, so we already have a market we are looking. Okay, we already have a pair we are looking out for an opportunity on. So this is Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD. So the market is approaching it already. Let's just wait and see what is going to happen. Guys, go to Euro AUD and let's wait for what is going to happen on Euro AUD. Okay, go to Euro AUD now. And for those of us that want to make deposits, please go to the chat room right now and click on that banner icon with deposit on the banner you are seeing on the chat room right now that says deposit with benefit. Click on it and it will take you to where you can make deposit. Okay, it will take you to where you can make deposit. Guys, tomorrow is very important. I'm telling you again, tomorrow is very important for all forex traders. Okay, so tomorrow, let me say tomorrow is a money making day. Okay, it's a money making day for all traders. So tomorrow is like a day that is, you know, um it's like a day that is pointed out, okay, in a month. So tomorrow is like a day that is pointed out in a month that, okay, oh, on this particular day forex traders are going to make money. So that is why tomorrow is very important. The non-farm payroll is very important. You don't want to miss it. Trust me, guys. You don't want to miss. Nobody here wants to miss it. If I don't want to miss it, and I know you don't want to miss it, because tomorrow we are definitely going to be making money. So that is why we are shifting tomorrow's live stream to 1 p.m. instead of our initial 2 p.m. Okay, we are going to be shifting tomorrow's live stream to 1 p.m. because around 1:30 p.m. The non-farm payroll data is going to be collated, and when it is getting collated, we are going to make money. Guys, trust me. Start funding your account right now. Start funding your account right now. And if you want to get qualified to get into my premium group, deposit up to $15. Okay, fund up to $15. So if you fund up to $15, I get you into the premium group and you make money every day. Okay, you make money every day. It doesn't have to be just on this live stream alone. Immediately we wake up in the morning, I started making analysis. So if there's any opportunity for us to trade, I just send you a signal into the group, and all you have to do is place the trade and make your own money. Okay. And guys, please, I have another thing, very important thing to say to you guys. So that thing is, whenever we place any order, any trade, and we are making profit, guys, please always make sure you are securing your profit. I always say this. Okay, I say this almost every day. Always make sure that you are securing your profit. Okay, the forex market don't play with anybody. So immediately you got into the any market, you take any market, as far as you are seeing, no matter how little the dollar is, but as far as you are already making profit, please don't always wait for the market to get to your take profit. This is very important, guys. This is very important. Okay. Sometimes I don't wait for my TP to get for my market to for my price to get to my TP. Okay. So what I do is, so assuming this market got three guys here, then come a little bit, say about maybe around this area, I start closing some positions. So that is why I like to open multiple positions. Okay, I like to open multiple positions. So when my market gets to this point, I close some position and leave the rest to get to my TP. But sometimes if I know that maybe this market is going to start misbehaving, maybe consolidating, or it's going to take time before you get to this point, I just close all my trade. Okay, and I'll advise you to also use the same method. So guys, let's go to our Euro AUD and see if we can sell Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Don't worry, I'm gonna call out the sell when the time is on. So you see, it's already reacting to that zone. You see what I told you guys. It's already reacting to that zone. So let's see what is gonna happen. If it rejects that zone, we are selling. We are on 3 minute time frame, guys. I'm on 3 minute time frame, and when this market gets rejected here, we are selling. So let's just wait for what is gonna happen next. So go to Euro AUD right now. Euro AUD. We don't want a full candle, okay? We want an rejected candle. That is what we are waiting for, a rejection candle. Okay, so that to me, that is not a rejection candle, okay? This is not a rejection candle. So let's wait for a proper rejection candle and then we enter our trade. Let's wait for a proper rejected candle. We are waiting for a proper rejection candle on this zone before we can place our trade. Okay? Guys, this whole area is a zone. Okay? So even though we get a rejection here, we are still going to sell this market. But let's get a proper rejection first. Okay? So right now, seems like this market wants to break to the top side. But if we get a breakout to the top side, that means this market is going to buy. Okay. But before it buys, it will make a retest to this downside. Okay. It's going to make a retest to this downside. But let's just wait and see the magic it's performing. This is Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Guys, remember what I said? Yeah. When this market breaks out to the top side, that means we have a valid change of character. Okay. That means we have a valid change of character to the top side. Okay. You see, this is a lower low. This is a lower low. It created a low here. Then this will be our liquidity. And then we can look for a buy entry from this area. Okay. But if we get a breakdown to this area, we are going to start selling. All right. So the mathematics here is very simple and it's very easy. We are waiting for this market to come back into this zone. Okay. So let's go to the 5 minute time frame and see what is going on. The 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, so it's respecting the 15-minute time frame for now. Okay, it's coming back down. You see, this is how Forex is being traded. Okay, everything requires patience. Everything requires patience. If not, you are going to keep losing. Okay, it is very important that you have patience on whatever pair or asset you are trading. So the patience is what we are doing here right now. You see, we are being patient because we want this market to come back into the zone and give us a rejection. So we are already getting the rejection from the 15-minute time frame. Okay, you see, we are getting the rejection from the 15-minute time frame. You see that? So let's just wait and see if it's going to complete the rejection. When we have a good rejection, we are selling to this area. Okay, we are just going to be scalping. We're just going to be scalping to this area, just from here to here. Let's say maybe 15-minute candle. Okay, but if this breakout, we are going to start looking for a buy position. And guys, please don't forget about what I said. Tomorrow is a big day for forex traders. Okay? Tomorrow is a big day for all forex traders. So you as a forex trader, you don't want to miss what is going to happen tomorrow. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. We have a major news, a major event coming into play in the forex market tomorrow, and it is very important that we utilize the opportunity. Okay, so we are going to have a big move in the USDPS tomorrow. We want to utilize the opportunity and look for a way to make money with that. So that is how forex traders think. Okay, as a forex trader, you have to think about the big event. So when they come, you want to look for a way you can make money with such big events. Tomorrow is one of the days. So please fund your account. Fund your account with at least $15 so that you'll be able to open good positions tomorrow. Okay? Fund your account with at least $15 and you even be qualified to get into the premium channel. And like I said, on the premium channel, you get signals every day. Okay, you get signals every day. So the chance is still there for you today. If you deposit right now, you still have the chance to get into the premium channel and take um, premium signals. Okay. So you see, the market is still rejecting my zone. Okay, it's still rejecting my zone. So let's see what is going to happen here next and see if we can place a sell trade. So guys, the reason why I'm not taking this trade right now because I'm not sure of this rejection here. Okay, I'm not comfortable with this rejection here. So I want to see a proper rejected candle before I can place a trade. So that is why I've marked out this area on the 1 minute time frame. So this market will likely come back to this zone before it starts its move to the downside. Okay. So this is how you make your analysis so that you don't trade blindly. You don't take blind setups. Okay. So guys, this is what we are still waiting for. Okay. You see, this is the proper way to look at the markets. You don't want to take rational decisions. Okay, you want to take a trade that is going to favor you, not a trade that is going to make you lose a lot of money. Okay, so if we take this trade from here right now, you are risking just $1. Okay, make sure you are risking just $1. If you have a $10 account, if you have a $15 account, make sure you are risking just $1. Okay, and then our TP is going to be around this area. So right now we don't have a proper rejected candle. That is why I didn't enter this trade. Okay, but you see what I said? I said the market is going to start coming down. All of this area is a zone. All of this area is a zone. So let's see what is going to happen next. Let's see if this market is going to play to this side before it continues its movement to the downside. Okay, so I saw somebody saying he wants to learn more on resistance and support. See, that is very fine. Okay, that is very good. Don't worry. Make sure you attend our evening lesson. Okay, our evening session. That is coming up around 7 p.m. this evening. Okay, so make sure you are on that evening session. So when you join the evening session, that is where you can learn all about support and resistance. Okay. The evening session is where you can learn all about support and resistance. You see, um I like people that has mind of learning. Okay, people that wants to learn more. I like them. So if you want to learn more, and if you are out there and you want me to go dive deep into support and resistance in the evening, please just notify. Okay, in the comment section, just comment. I want to learn about support and resistance. Okay, so the more the comment I have, the more I'm going to be encouraged to talk about support and resistance for today. Okay. So you see, our market is already making its move to the resistant box. So now let's wait and see if we are going to have a turn around on this zone. Okay, let's see if we are going to get the turnaround on that zone. So guys, on this session, we are not just making money here. Okay, if you have any question you want to ask me pertaining to everything that we are doing here, you can always ask. Okay, you can always ask. And for the learning part, don't worry. The evening session that is coming up around 7 p.m., that is where you can learn all about forex trading. Okay. So, from the beginning, I said we've segmented this session into two places, okay, into two parts. So this first category is where we try to, analyze the market together and look for an opportunity to make money. Okay, then the evening session is for learning. That is purely for learning. Okay, so there we'll be talking about forex trading, how you can learn forex trading, how you can, start placing order on BtcDana trading application. Okay, but on this session is all about taking trade, analyzing and taking a position, opening a position rather. But still doesn't mean that you can't ask question on everything that we are doing here. Okay, so right now I'm still waiting for this market to get to this point and see if we can get a turnaround from this area. Okay, so you see what I said, the market has started going up. So imagine we took this market, you see it will start feeling us right here. Okay, so let's wait for this market to get to this price. If we are able to get a rejection on this, then we place a sell trade. So guys, this is what we are waiting for right now. Okay, okay, so I see somebody is asking what the best time frame is to enter a trade. Actually, there's no time frame you can use for your trade. Okay, you see right now I'm using 1 minute. Okay, but the difference is just if you are a scalper, you come to the lower time frame. Okay, if you are a scalper, and I'm sure you that you asking this question, you already know what a scalper is. So scalpers are just that wants to make sharp money. Okay, you don't want to stay too long on any trade. You want to get into the market and make sharp money. So if you are such trader, you want to come to your 1 minute, 3 minutes, or the 5 minute. Okay, but as an intraday trader, you make your analysis from the 4 hour time frame down to the 1 hour. Then you take your trade from the 15-minute time frame. That is how I do my own analysis personally. Okay, but for the purpose of this live stream, that is why I have moved down to the lower time frames. Okay, because I want to make this afternoon session active. So what I mean by active is I want it to be a way of making money every time we are on the afternoon session. Okay, I want us to be making money every time we are on the afternoon session. So that is why I have made it, I made sure that I'm on the lower time frame anytime we are on the live stream, on the afternoon live stream. Okay, so you can actually use any time frame to take your trade. It just depends on the kind of trader you are, a scalper, an intraday trader. Okay, so if you're a scalper, like I said, use the lower time frames. Okay, so right now we want to scalp this market. That is why we are on the lower time frame. You see, I've been going about checking my 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and even the 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm using the 15 minutes as the higher time frame. Okay, I'm using the 15 minutes as the higher time frame. All I know here is that this market is going down further. Okay, and then I came to my 5 minutes to see what is going on there. You see, and the market has been rejecting on the zone that I said we want to I want to place our trade on. So if you are a scalper, this is what you want to be doing. Okay, but um If you are an intraday trader, you want to come to your 5 minutes. If you're an intraday trader, don't ever go to the lower time frames, the 1 minute, the 3 minutes. As an intraday trader, you can still go to the 5 minutes to take an early entry. Okay, but don't go to the 3 minute or the 1 minute. Those are not useful for you. So guys, if you have any other question, please, you can ask. You are free to ask any question you have in mind. Okay. So while we are making money here, we are also trying to look for, educating each other. So we are getting a rejection on the 15-minute time frame, but since we are scalping, we want to be looking at the 5 minutes downward. Okay, so that is where I want to get a rejection. And what I'm looking for right now is something like this. Something like this. Okay, not this. Not this right here. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a rejection. A rejection can't do something like this. Okay, something like this. Something that is going to touch a rejection and start going down. So that is where I want to place my order from. You see, the market has been consolidating on our entry zone. That means our entry zone is very valid. Okay, our entry is very valid. So this is another information for you guys. Okay, this is another way of learning for you guys. You see what I did here? Everything I did here, when the market gets to this point, you see, it's been moving about on that same zone. That means our entry is valid. Okay. But as a good trader, you want to point out your entry where you want to take the trade from. And this is where I want to take the trade from. So even though I don't get tagged in on this zone right here, it's fine. Okay, I don't expect to get tagged in on every position that I want to open. Okay, so sometimes you don't get tagged in, but it's fine. So the market is currently making its way to the upside right now. Let's see if it gets to this point. Okay, if the market gets to this point, and create a rejection candle for us, we are going to place a sell trade. The reason why I want us to stay with this trade is because this is the lower time frame. Okay, so immediately we took our eye off this euro AUD right now. That is when you see the market start selling to the downside. Okay, so as a good forex trader, anytime you saw an opportunity or you see an opportunity, you want to stay with such opportunity. Okay, you don't want the opportunity to pass you by. You see, we have consolidations on this zone. We have consolidation on these zones. So what these consolidations are doing here right now is, what these consolidations do is, you see, they are creating inducement. The market is creating inducement that is going to use to take people out of the market. So many people are going to believe, many scalpers are going to believe that when this market anytime the market gets to this point, it's going to continue to go down. Okay, so you just wait and see what is going to happen next. It's going to take people's stop loss out, because anybody that is selling from this area is definitely setting stop loss around this area. Okay, it's setting stop loss around this area. So this market is going to take them out, get to this point before it comes down. Okay. So you see what I'm talking about? You see, the market is already making the move. Okay, it's already taking the scalpers out. It's already taking the scalpers out. That is why it is very important that as a trader, you need to be a smart trader. Okay, you need to be a smart trader. You need to see the market for what it is. You need to see the market the way it is behaving, so that you'll be able to um, predict your entry precisely. So right now, let's still wait for the market to get to this point and see if we are going to get tagged in. So you see right here, the market already took out everybody that is selling from this zone. The market has already taken them out. Okay, because the scalper will never allow his or her TP to be around here. They will always want their TP to be just a little above their entry point. Okay, so if a scalper's TP is here right now, the market already took them out. So let's just wait for this market to get tagged in right here. And while we wait on that, let's see what is happening in our GBPCHF. Okay, so on GBPCHF, this is my 1 hour time frame. I was actually looking for this market to get to this point. I know this market will continue its move to the downside, okay, because it already took liquidity around this area. Okay, took liquidity around that area. So guys, you see, our entry didn't get tagged in. Okay, our entry did just few pips to get tagged in. This is where I could have called for a sell trade. Okay, this is where I wanted to call for a sell trade. This is where I want to call for a sell trade. But the market just came up, took out the sellers around here, okay, took them out and started making it move to the downside. But let's just wait and see what is going to happen next. He already took them out. Let's see if he's coming to take this out also. Okay, because that is the only place we can start our, this is where we can enter our sell trade. Okay, this is where we want to enter our sell trade. Okay, so our entry didn't get tagged in here. Okay, our entry didn't get tagged in. So this was our entry. This was our entry, but it didn't get tagged in. Okay, so these kind of things always happen in the forex market. You are not going to get tagged in every time. Okay, sometimes you get a limit order, a pending order rather. Okay, so some of these issues had happened to us in the past. Okay, where we call out a pending order, we set a buy limit, sorry, a sell limit rather, that when the price gets to this point, we should get tagged in, but we never get tagged in. So this is the example. This is an example of what happens. Okay, when you don't get tagged in. So you see, right here, right now, I'm saying when this market gets here, I was going to call out for a sell trade, but you see what happened? Just few pips to get to that place, to get to that point, market just starts reversing to the downside. Okay, so that is why I didn't call for this trade, but it's fine. Okay, as a forex trader, you need to have rules. Okay, so what my own rule was telling me right here is that this market is going to get to this point before I start to sell. But when this market didn't get there, I don't have a choice than to just sit and be watching it. So the only thing that I can do for myself right now is to go look for another pair. Okay, is to go look for another pair. And guys, let me tell you the truth. This was worth waiting for. Why? Because even without taking the trade, I'm sure you learn one or two things from the analysis we did here and everything that we've talked about here. Okay, so if you have any question pertaining to everything that we've discussed here, please feel free to ask me. Okay, feel free to ask me. You see, our trade is already running to the downside as we've predicted. You see, so if you join the premium channel, this is the benefit you get. Okay, these are the benefits you get. You don't have to make all this analysis yourself. You don't have to wait on this kind of market yourself. Okay, so I will be the one doing all the analysis and the waiting. The only thing you need to do is open a position when I tell you to open, buy or sell. Okay, so if you deposit up to $15 right now, you'll be qualified to get into the premium signal channel. Okay, and when you get there, there are a lot of benefits for you. One of the benefits is making money with the signals that I'll be providing every day. Okay, so for you that is already in the group, congratulations. Don't worry, we are going to drop signals. Okay, so this is just one of the markets that we've been looking into, that we've been looking out for. But unfortunately, we didn't get tagged in. Just few pips. Okay, just few pips to get tagged in. I think this is just a pip to get tagged in. Okay, but it never got to that point. And our market is already almost running to where we set our take profits to. Okay, and this is 4-1. Okay, this is 1-4 rather, 1-4. What you are seeing right here is if you are risking one, you are making four. So assuming we get tagged in right here, you are risking $1 to make $4 when the market gets to this point. Okay, But don't worry, nevertheless, this is one of the things that happen in the forex market. All your entries are not going to get tagged in, okay? And if you break your rules, you are going to lose your money. It's just as simple as that. In forex trading, you need to create rules for yourself. Okay, when the market is doing this is what I want to be doing. Okay, so and that is the rules that we've created here. We said when this market gets to this point, we were going to enter for a sell trade. But what happened? The market never got there. Okay, just a few pips to get there, the market starts reversing to the downside. And what did I say? It's fine. Okay, it's fine. So let's come to this. Um, You see, this is going to be an intraday trading. Okay, it's going to be an intraday trade for us. Okay, but I'm not going to set a sell limit. We are not going to set a pending order. What I'm going to do is pay close attention to our BtcDana free channel. Okay, the free group. Pay close attention to it, because when this market gets to this point, I'm going to call out for a sell order. Okay, so make sure you pay close attention to the group, so that when I call out a signal on this um price point, you'll be opportune to take the trade. Okay, sorry guys, just kind of exhausted right now. So let me just delete all of this, since the market is almost breaking that point. Please guys, deposit on your real account, fund your account. Okay, see, I'm telling you guys for the last time, hey, Nigeria is not really easy for anybody right now. Okay, things are seriously hard. uh Guys, do you know how much they sell a bag of rice right now? A bag of rice is now 51,000 naira. Okay, so it's not really easy for anybody in Nigeria right now. So this is why it is very important that you have other income streams. Okay, you have multiple income streams. So where you are making different money, where different money is coming in for you. Okay, and let me tell you the truth, forex trading is one of them. Okay, to me, forex trading has been a blessing for me. Okay, so if you want to get the same blessing from forex trading, all you have to do is deposit, fund your real account, fund your real account with at least $15. Okay, so the money you are funding is not for me. I'm not asking you to pay for the signal. What I'm telling you is fund your account, and when I say buy, you buy with the account. When I say sell, you sell with the account, and you make money. It's just as simple as that. Okay, what I'm doing here right now is a way of giving back to the community. Okay, I could have said you should make payment for the signal or pay before I, get you into the premium channel. I'm not asking you to pay for anything here. All I'm asking is you deposit into your real account. So deposit into BTC Dana trading application right now on this live stream. And let me tell you something, guys. If you are not depositing on this live stream, you are not going to be qualified. Okay, if you are not depositing on this live stream, you are not going to be qualified. So to get into my premium channel, all you have to do is deposit on this live stream. Deposit on this live stream, and I get you into the premium channel. Okay, and if you can deposit up to $200, there's an additional benefit that comes with depositing up to $200. Okay, so if you deposit up to $200, you are going to have an opportunity, of having a one-on-one session with me. So guys, do you know what that means? If you have a one-on-one session with me, I will be explaining everything in depth. Okay, I'll be explaining everything that we did here, everything that we did on our previous, the market that we wanted to take earlier. Okay, I will explain everything, how I got in. Okay, you have one-on-one session with me, a 1 hour one-on-one session. Guys, with just that 1 hour, trust me, you are going to learn a lot of things. Okay, with just 1 hour, you are going to learn a lot of things you've never had in your life about forex before. That is what you are going to learn with a one-on-one session with me. Okay, and to get that benefit, deposit up to $200. Okay, you have to deposit on BtcDana trading account. You have to fund it with $200. So guys, if you have any question, please, you can ask me. So this market is going to get to this area. You see, I've already made the map out before. I already have a map out. So we call this a mapping. Okay, we call this a mapping. You see, I already map the trade, how the trade is going to behave until it gets to this point. So the market will get to this point and start to sell. Okay, so this is going to be, because this is a 1 hour time frame, so this is going to be a long trade. It's a long trade that could take hours. Okay, it's a long trade that is going to take hours. So what you want to do is, when I call out this trade, make sure you are protecting your capital. Use the smallest lot size. Okay, use your smallest lot size. If you have $15 account, make sure you are using 0.01. If you are having up to $100 account, yes, you can increase your lot size. You can maybe open 0.02, open like 2 positions. That is okay. Okay, if you are able to make like $10-20, to me that is very okay. Okay, so that is the scope of forex trading, guys. So right now, please, if you have any question, you can ask me, because we are getting to the end of this live stream. Okay, our afternoon live stream is coming to an end. So if you have any question whatsoever on everything that we've discussed about here, everything that we talk about, all the analysis we made, if you have any question, please feel free to ask me. And mind you, if you ask me any question on analysis, I'm just going to make a summary explanation. Okay, the real explanation is going to be on the evening section. That is coming around 7 p.m. this evening. Okay. Remember, I told you we have another session coming up in the evening around 7 p.m. So on that session, that is where we'll be discussing about, how to start trading the financial market profitably. And I'll be telling you what support and resistance is. Okay? How to draw a support and resistance. How to draw a profitable support and resistance. So that is where I'll be teaching you everything about support and resistance. So guys, please, if you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to call out this trade. Okay, I'm going to call out this trade. Okay, so I see somebody asking how to calculate pips. Okay, so this is how you can calculate your pips. Pips is very easy to calculate. Okay, pip is just, in fact, you don't even calculate your pip. What you calculate is your spread, because pip is just a movement that the market makes. Okay, so look at my cursor right here. Look at this this black cursor right here. My crosshair rather. Okay, we call it a crosshair. So let me just close this. We call this a crosshair. So now, okay, so I see another person asking what the best time frame is for technical analysis. Don't worry, we'll get to that. But first, let me talk about the person that asked the first question. Okay, that is how to calculate pips. Now, pips is just a movement the market makes. Okay, this is a movement the market makes. Now, let me show you something. Look at this. Okay, so look at this point right now. Look at my cursor right now. So beside my cursor, on the right of my cursor, I have 1.11394, right? So if you want to calculate your pips, the fourth digit after the decimal point is our pip. Okay, the fourth digit after decimal point is your pip. Now calculate the numbers after the decimal point. Okay, you see we have 1 point. Okay, 1 point. Now after the point, calculate another 4. That is 1139. 9 is the fourth digit. Yeah, 9 is the fourth digit. Now that 9 is our pip. Okay, so every time the market is moving, you see, okay, it's 9 right now. So when I move the cursor, to the upside, you see, it's changed to 0. Okay, that means the market moved a pip up. Okay, the market moved a pip up. Okay, so every time the fourth digit after the decimal point is moving, that is your pip moving. Okay, so the last digit that is the fifth digit after the decimal point, that is our point. Okay, but you don't need to pay attention to that. The point is just like, on your wall clock when you are talking about um minutes and seconds. Okay, so you don't really pay too much attention to your seconds, right? So what you want to pay attention to is your minute and your hour, right? So now the last digit here, say we have 1.11391. The last digit, that is the one, is a point. Okay, just like we have 60 minutes make 1 minute, here we have 10 points make 1 pip. Okay, 10 points make 1 pip. Okay, so the fifth digit after the decimal point, that is our last digit, is our point, and then we need 10 points to make 1 pip. Okay, so the last digit is going to calculate 10 points before the fourth digit after the decimal place is going to move. Okay, but with all of this explanation, the only thing that you need to concentrate on is the fourth digit after the decimal point, because that is your pip. Okay, anytime your market is moving, you see, it will be going in pips. So right now we have 6. That means our market started from this area to this area. So if you want to calculate your pips now, this is how you are able to get it. Okay, this is how you are able to get it. So if you calculate, this is 414. Yeah, so just take note of the 4, of the 1 in the middle, because that is the fourth digit after our decimal point, right? Okay, so right here, it was initially 414. Okay, and now it's 513. That means we made 9 pips to the top. Okay, we made 9 pips up. So I hope I answered your question for you that is asking about how to calculate pips. Now, what time frame is best for technical analysis? Okay, so I'm just going to use how I make my own technical analysis for example. Okay, how I start my analysis is I start by going to the higher time frame. That is the 4-hour time frame. Okay, I start by going to the 4-hour time frame. So what I want to see on the 4-hour time frame is the direction the market is heading to. Okay, the direction the market is heading to. You see, the market has been on downtrend from this area. Okay, that was around June. Okay, the market has been on downtrend from this area, from this zone to this price, to this area here. We have downtrend. Okay, but when it got to this point, it started making a short move to the top side. Okay, it started making a move to the top side. So this is our last low. This is the our last higher low. Okay, because we have another lower low here. We have another lower low here. Okay, so this is how I make my own analysis. Now we have a low here. Let me just draw this out so that you can see this clearly. You see, we have another low here because we have a break of structure to the downside. Okay, so this is our last higher low. Now, when this last higher low gets broken, that means our market is changing direction. And let's look at it from here. Did we get taken out? Yes. You see, we got taken out. Okay, our last higher low, or sorry, lower high rather, our last lower high got taken out. Okay, so here we got a change of market direction. Okay, so let me zoom in so that you can see that clearly. So you see, we got taken out around this area, making us believe that this market is going to go up further. Okay, so what it did right here is just a retracement to the downside. Okay, it's a retracement to the downside. So when this market gets to this point right now, it's going to make another retracement to come and close those gaps. Okay, so don't worry, we are going to go in depth into this, but let's just take this learning step by step. Okay, we can't learn everything in a day. So on this session is just to analyze the market and make sure that we are able to place trades. Okay, so on the evening session, that is where we will be teaching about how you can start analyzing the market yourself. Okay, so let me just answer this in a summary way. So I start from the 4 hour time frame. Okay, then I come down to the 1 hour. That is after getting the overall direction of where my market is going for the day. Okay, so right now I know that we have a support zone, a resistance zone here, that this market is coming to that resistance zone. So when they get there, the market might likely make a move to the downside. Okay, so now that I already have this, I come to my 1 hour time frame. Okay, now that I'm on my 1 hour time frame, I'll try and readjust my zone to see if I'm clearly set up, so that when this market gets to this point, I'm not rushing to make a new analysis. Okay, so now that I can see everything clearly, I want to go to my 30-minute time frame and see what is going on there. Okay, I want to go to my 30-minute time frame and see what is going on there. So I have my 30-minute time frame right here, and there's nothing happening. Okay, so the market is still around this zone. So sometimes I take my entry from the 30-minute time frame or the 15-minute time frame. It just depends on the one that the market make a faster rejection on. It make more faster rejection on the 15-minute time frame actually, but sometimes you see it more clearly or better on the 30-minute time frame. So you can use any of this time frame, either the 15-minute time frame or the 30-minute time frame for your entry. Okay, you can use any of that time frame for your entry. So guys, this is basically how I do my analysis. Okay, so if you have any other question, please ask before I end this live session. Okay, in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to end this live session. So if you have any other question, you can ask me right now. So you see what happened here, guys? You see what happened here? You see what happened here? Look where our market is right now. Okay, see how much we could have earned from this. Okay, see how much we could have earned from this move right here. Just a peep to get us in, and it didn't touch it. But it's fine. It's fine. Okay, it's fine. Don't worry. I'm going to look for another setup and send to our. Okay, so this market is making a move to this zone right now. Let's just wait and see what happens when it gets there. So guys, please don't forget about the big event I talked about. Okay, we have a big event coming around on the forex market tomorrow. Okay, we have the USA non-farm payroll. Okay, USA non-farm payroll, as some of us know it to be NFP. Okay, some people will call it NFP. So guys, please make sure you fund your account before tomorrow. In fact, start funding right now. Start funding right now. Fund your account. Tomorrow is going to be a very big day for every forex trader. You don't want to miss it. Trust me. You don't want to miss your chance of making money tomorrow. Tomorrow is very important to everybody. Ask any professional forex trader and it's going to tell you. Okay? Tomorrow is very important, guys. Nobody wants to miss tomorrow's chance. So in order not to miss the chance, make sure you fund your account. When you fund your account, we are going to be placing trades together. Okay, we are going to be taking the opportunity of the NFP and see if we are going to be buying or selling. Okay, so it is very important, and you can't do that unless your account is funded. And if you are funding, make sure you are funding up to $15 so that you can be qualified to get into the premium channel. Okay, I already told you the benefit of getting into the premium channel is you'll be getting free signals every day. You see those signals that we saw here right now, even though we were not able to get tagged in, but not all signals don't get tagged in. Okay, this is just one of the signals that didn't get tagged in. Others will get tagged in. Okay, and for my premium group, guys, don't worry. Signals are coming around very soon. Okay, I'm still in the market looking for better opportunities for us. I'm in the market looking for good opportunities for us. Okay. So, guys, if you have no question, I think I might likely end our live stream for this afternoon here and now. Okay. So, our next live stream is coming up around 7 p.m. this evening. Guys, if you are a newbie and you want to learn how you can start placing trade on the Forex, make sure you don't miss that session. Okay. Make sure you don't miss that session. If you want to learn how you can start placing trade on BTC, the Dana trading application, don't miss that session. And when you are coming, make sure you are coming with your demo account. Okay, make sure you are coming with your demo account. Demo is for learning. This afternoon session is for real accounts. Okay, it's for real accounts. If you have demo also, I'm not saying you can't place your trade on demo also. Okay, but you use real account to make money. Demo is for learning. Okay. So, guys, if you have no more question, I think we are going to end this live session here. And don't worry, I'm going to when this market get to this point, I'm going to fill you guys in. Okay. So I'm going to be telling you to open a position. I'm going to be communicating whatever happens on our BtcDana group. Okay. So, guys, please make sure you deposit before tomorrow. Okay, and if you haven't found the account, guys, fund the account right now. This market is going to make a major reversal on this zone. Okay, it's going to make a major reversal on this zone. Or should we just place um a sell limit? Guys, if you want me to set a sell limit, just comment on the chat room. Okay, comment on the chat room if you want us to set a sell limit, a sell limit order. But trust me, this market is going to come down from this zone. Okay, this market is going to come down from this zone. So if you want us to set a sell limit, indicate in the chat room. So guys, since there's no question, I think we would end this live session for this afternoon. We'll end the live session here and we'll continue in the evening. Okay. So guys, keep an eye out on the BTC Dana trading group. Okay. on the Telegram group. Keep an eye out. I'm going to drop this signal. Okay, don't worry. I'm going to make this a free signal. I'm going to drop it for you guys also. So make sure you are watching out. So if there's nothing more, I think we should end this live session for this afternoon. So guys, we've come to the end of this live stream for this afternoon. So I'll see you guys in the evening. Okay. So for you that wants to learn how to start trading the forex market, please go and get your demo account ready. Because on this evening we'll be, talking about support and resistance and how you can start, trading when you get that opportunity. Okay. So I'll see you guys in the evening. Bye for now.